Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a triangle ABC where G is the centroid. The centroid point is given, which is 4, 3, and a triangle points are given like ABC. So which is 1, 3, B is 4, B, and C is A, 1. And just draw the centroid centroid of the triangle, which is this one. Yeah, this is the point G. So G is the centroid of the triangle, which is 4, 3. Now use the centroid formula and find the values of A and B, and we can find the length of the side BC by using the distance formula. So just write down the given points, which is A, B and C, and let that points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, and then write down the centroid formula. The centroid of the triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So just substitute the centroid point, which is 4, 3, and x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 values. So here the x1 value is 1. So 1 plus 4 plus A divided by 3, and the y1 value is 3. So 3 plus B plus 1 whole divided by 3. So now simplify this. 4, 3 equals to 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 plus A divided by 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 plus B divided by 3. Now just compare these points and find the values of A and B. So 5 plus A divided by 3 equals to 4, and 4 plus B divided by 3 is equals to 3. So 4 plus B divided by 3 equals to 3. So now solve for A and B. So just move the denominator 3 to the other side. So we'll get 5 plus A. 4 times of 3 is 12. So if you subtract 5 on both sides, 12 minus 5 becomes 7. So A is equals to 7. Now find a B value. So just move the denominator 3 to the other side. So 3 times of 3 is 9. So if you subtract 4 on both sides, we'll get B is equals to 5. So the values of A and B are 7 and 5. Now find the length of the side BC. So the BC is the base length, so we need to find that length. Write down the A and B values. A is equals to 7 and B is equals to 5. find the length of the side BC. So for that we need to take the B and C points. What is the point B? So the B is 4 comma B and C is A comma 1. So 4 comma B. So here the B value is 5, so 4 comma 5. So on the point C value is A comma 1, which means 7 comma 1. So just use this B and C points and find the length of the side BC. So to find the length, we just need to use the distance formula. So distance formula is x2 square root of x2 minus x2 square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let's assume this 4 comma 5 and 7 comma 1 are the x1 x2 and y1 y2 values. So if we substitute these values into the distance formula, we'll get the 7 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square. 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3 square plus minus 4 square. So the 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Minus 4 square also a plus 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. And square root of 25 is 5. So we can conclude that the length of the side of BC equals to the 5 units. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.